Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Debian 11 version on VMware Workstation. Open any browser and go to any search engine, then search for Debian 11 download. Click on this official CD or DVD images Debian or click on getting Debian. Now click on this official CD or DVD images of this stable release. Here we have two types of downloads. One CD ISO and another one is DVD ISO. If you download CD ISO image, then you should have internet connection at the time of creating virtual machine on VirtualBox. But if you download this DVD, internet is not required. Click on AMD64 to download DVD ISO file. In this page, scroll down to bottom. See, here we have Debian 1100 AMD64 DVD1 ISO. Click on this ISO file. See, download has been started. Go to downloads. See, download has been started. I am cancelling this download because I have already downloaded the same ISO file. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, open VMware Workstation or VMware Player. VMware Workstation. See, these are all. Notice here, the left side section. These are all the virtual machines installed on my VMware Workstation. Now we are going to install Debian 11 on this VMware. Click on this create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Here we have two types of configurations. Select typical. See, here we have to insert the operating system. If you have DVD, then select this installer disk. But we have downloaded the ISO file. So I am going to select, now I am going to attach the downloaded ISO file. Go to downloads, Debian 11 DVD ISO. Then click on open. Here this option is selected to install operating system later. But go with installer disk image ISO file. Then click on next. Here type is Linux and version is search for Debian. See here, it contains up to Debian 8.x. Select the latest Debian 8.x 64-bit and click on next. Here, give the name Debian 11. Here we have to provide the path for virtual machine, files and folders. Then select it and click on OK. Then click on next. Here we have to provide the disk size. Here I am giving disk size as 40 gigabytes. Notice here this is the summary. But before clicking on finish, you need to change this memory. Click on customize. Now click on this customize hardware. Here we need to change the memory. I am giving 4 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Until now we have created a virtual machine, but we haven't installed Debian Linux on VMware Workstation. Just click on this power on this virtual machine or right click and click on power, then select start up the guest. Okay, or go to VM and select power and select startup guest or control V. Okay. Here we have these options. I am going with graphical install. Select it by using up and down arrows from your keyboard and select the installer type and press enter. Also notice here cursor is disabled. If you want to bring cursor from this virtual machine, just press Ctrl and Alt. Select the language. Select anyone which is suitable for you. I am going with English. Then click on Continue. Here select your location. By default it has selected United States. I am going with default location. Here keyboard language. I am going with American English. Here we have to provide the host name. By default host name is Debian. I am going with default host name. If you want to change it and click on Continue. If you want to add this host to domain, then provide the domain name. At present I am not going to add this host to domain. Then click on keep it as blank and click on Continue. Here we have to provide the password for root user. Then click on Continue. We have to create the new user. I am creating user R2 Schools. This will be the username R2 Schools. Then click on Continue. Here we have to provide the password for this newly created user. Then click on Continue. Again click on Continue. Select the type of partition disks. I am going with guided use entire disk. Then click on Continue. Click on Continue. Select the all files in one partition and click on Continue. Using up and down arrows, select if you want to undo the partition settings, then use up arrow and select the undo and press enter. Otherwise, if you want to finish with the partition settings, select and click on Continue. Here select yes and click on Continue. I don't want to use network mirror. If you want to use network mirror, then select yes option and click on Continue. If you want to participate in package user survey, then select yes, otherwise no. Then click on Continue. Select the software and click on Continue. Here we have this type of this many software options. Select them and click on Continue. I am pausing the video. Select the default manager and click on Continue. I am going with GDM3. If you want to install grub bootloader, then select yes, otherwise no. Select Continue. Select the dev SDA and click on Continue. Installation is completed successfully. Then click on Continue. Also notice here, make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into new system rather than restarting the installation. So now right click on this one, go to settings, select DVD and select use physical drive and click on OK. Now click on Continue. Here select the click on the username and provide the password. Now open the terminal and verify. Click on activities and search for terminal. More /etc/os-release. See, we have installed version number 11 bulls I and Debian. ID is Debian. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Debian 11 on VMware Workstation. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.